Application of related rates, derivative as a rate of change presented by Kate Sebastian. So if several variables or quantities are related to each other and some of the variables are changing at a known rate, then we can use derivative to determine how rapidly the other variables must be changing. So for example, a circle starts out with a radius of 2 cm. At time t is equals to 0 and begins growing. The area of the circle is increasing at a rate of 2 cm squared per second. Find the rate of change of the radius of the circle when the radius is 5 cm. So, this is the area of the circle. Then, yung r is the radius. So, since kailangan ng formula na related sa dalawang to, so, this formula, itong formula, yung a equals to pi r raised to 2, yan yung formula na gagamitin. So, since rate of change as respect to time, so lalagyan siya ng d over dt sa both sides. So, d over dt times area equals d over dt times pi r raised to 2. So, the derivative of this is dA over dt over 2 equals the derivative of this, which is pi times 2r over 5 times dr over dt. So, since ito yung derivative neto, yung pi is constant siya, times r times radius squared. So, ang derivative nun is 2r over 5 since when the radius is 5 centimeter. So, times the derivative. So, ito yung derivative na tong side na to. So, ang values na hahanapin is dr over dt since as respect to time. Radius as respect to time. So, ang given sa problem, it is increasing at the rate of 2 cm squared. So, dA over dt is equals to 2. Then, yung given radius is 5. So, since ang hinahanap is dr over dt, it is the rate of change of the radius respect to time. So, 5 times 2 is 10 times pi. So, magiging 10 pi siya. So, and then 2. So, magiging 2 over 10 pi. So, equals to 0.06366 cm. So, the final answer is 0.06366 cm as respect to time in seconds.